Good morning and welcome to another video linking you to an Auto Hunter auction. I'm getting ready to sell at no reserve this 94 Acura Legend GS sedan 6-speed that I've been restoring over the course of almost 2 years now. The car is fully complete, fully sorted and ready for its next owner. If I didn't already have 5 Acura Legends, including this one, I definitely would not let it go. But I'm trying to save as many of these as I can from the scrapyard, and this one has come a very long way, both mechanically and cosmetically, over the course of my ownership. So I'll post a link to the auction in the description of the video, and I'm eager to see this car go to a very good home and hope to see it become part of the enthusiast community at future meets and events. Thanks for checking it out. Of course, do let me know if you have any questions or specific things that you'd like to see that aren't already included in the very extensive photo gallery that accompanies the auction. And of course, you can reference a number of videos on this car. I had a complete YouTube restoration series where I went through all the way from acquisition to teardown to completion, and honestly, despite the fact that it does have a few very small loose ends to tie up, this car is, as I mentioned, fully sorted, and I would trust it coast to coast for a drive. They're just all in all great cars, incredible cruising machines, and as the time goes on, the 6-speed manual transmission, particularly in the 4-door, is a really rare find. Thanks for checking it out. This car runs amazingly. It's idling this whole time. You can barely hear it. It does have a replacement Type 2 motor,